Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to post a Facebook Live event on your feed. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone and click on what's on your mind. From here, you can scroll down until you see Live Event. Click on that and you can select a category or you can create your own. But for now, let's just choose education. Graduated. You can swipe left and right to change the cover photo, or you can add your own photos and videos by clicking this option at the top right corner of the screen. You can also change the emoji, also the date of the event, and you can say something about the event. And once that is done, you just need to click on next. Here you can change who can see your post. Say something about it, like additional description. And if you want to tag someone, you just need to click on this blue man icon and tag your friends. And if you want to pin a location, you just need to click on the pin icon to pin a location. And once everything is done, you just need to click on post to share it publicly. And that's it. That's how you post a Facebook Live event on your feed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.